Welcome to the great tastes of Las Vegas. Here's today's episode. Today we are making a very healthy pate. First, warm up a 2 cup of 2% milk in the microwave for 2 minutes. Put your 1.5 pound of chicken liver in the milk. Let the chicken liver soak in warm milk for 2 minutes. Add liver to a frying pan. Thin off excess fat. Turn on medium heat. Add to the liver 3 taps of coconut oil. Then add 2 taps onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 table of seafood powder bouillon. Stir. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sprinkle some peppercorn. Put the lid on. Simmer the chicken liver for 5 minutes. Add 1 bowl 16 ounces of sweet chopped onion. Cut a pound of washed butter mushroom, 1 can of northern beans. Don't forget to rinse the beans. Add 3 slices of bread. Cut the bread small. Add 1 tap of Dijon mustard. Sprinkle half teaspoon of pink salt or regular salt. Add 3 wedges of soft cheese. 1 tap of fish sauce. Stir quickly. Put the lid on and cook for 10 more minutes. The pate is now ready to cool on parchment paper for 5 minutes. Now we're going to put the liver pate in the grinder, starting with 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Add chicken liver pate and grind pulses a few times. Then add another or second 1/4 cup of coconut oil to smooth the grinding of the chicken liver. Your pate is now ready. Scoop your pate into the 2 pate bowls. Don't forget to garnish your pate with 21 Trader Joe seasoning, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and some chopped magnet. Your pate, a very healthy way of making it, is ready to serve. We hope you enjoy it.